Hello guys, welcome to this video on how to set up Python development environment on a computer running on Mac operating system. In this video, we first install Python software and then we install PyCharm IDE, a third-party integrated development environment which is used for Python development. As part of our course, I will be using Python inbuilt IDE for introduction session, and rest of the sessions I am going to use PyCharm IDE. So let's get started with installation process of Python. Open any of your web browser. The one I am actually using is Google Chrome. In that, just enter python.org at address bar. It will take you to the Python official website and head to the download section. Under you can see download for Mac OS operating system. There you can see the Python 3.8.3 button. At the time of recording this session, the latest version available is Python 3.8.3. Just click on this button and then the Python software will get download. So once the download completed, click on the package. It will get start installing Python software. Click on continue and again continue, and then you need to accept the license agreement. Click on agree and then click on install, and you may use your macOS machine password, and then once that is provided, the installation gets started. It will take a couple of seconds to minutes. So if you are able to see the Python 3.83 window mean, then the Python software got installed successfully. So now close this and then you can see the message here. The installation was completed successfully. Congratulations, Python 3.8.3 for macOS 10.9 or later was successfully installed. Click on close and then you may move the software to your bin directory, or if you want you can keep it. I'm just going to move that to bin directory. So I have my Python software installed. So in order to check whether the Python is perfectly installed or not, just hit command spacebar and enter IDLE, hit enter. It will open Python IDLE in a shell window. You can see here Python 3.8.3 got installed and the release date was May 13, 2020. This is appearing means Python was successfully installed. You can start writing your first Python statement. If you're able to print hello world as an output means Python is successfully installed. So we have successfully installed our Python. Let's close this. Now let's open a new window on your web browser and enter jetbrains.com to proceed with PyCharm IDE installation. So PyCharm IDE is built by jetbrains.com company. So once you open the jetbrains.com official web page, click on tools and then click on PyCharm IDE. Just click on download here, and then there are two versions of PyCharm IDE available. One is professional, another is community version. Professional version will be available for the students and college, and if you are using for multi-purpose, then you can go with professional version based on your student's license agreement. If not, you can go with the Python community version, which is actually free and open source, which is purely used for Python development. Click on download and then download will get started, and then it will take some time to download. So once download completed, click on that package and then will start getting installed PyCharm on your Mac OS machine. Okay, so just hold the PyCharm CE app and just drag to the application folder so that it will get start from applications going forward. Okay, so once this PyCharm CE app being copied here, you'll be able to start using PyCharm app. Okay, just double click on here and then open. So the PyCharm IDE get start. You can close this box and then click on create new project and then provide Python course. Click enter. The PyCharm IDE will set up all the necessary things to get start with your Python development and to practice all your exercises. So that's it guys, this is all about our PyCharm IDE. So you have a Python console here. You can start writing your Python statement in console straight away. Print hello world. Hit enter, you'll be able to see the output as hello world. All the very best. So with this we are able to install PyCharm IDE also successfully on your Mac machine. So now you can close all those things, all the windows you opened so far, you can close it, and then you can start using either PyCharm IDE or Python on day to day as and when you completed either of the session. Okay, thank you for watching my video and I'll see you in the next session.